Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the undo and redo features. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, if we head into the program here, now when it comes to the undo and redo features, I don't know how to quite approach this, how to soften the blow, but there is none if you're working with CAD. So if we're in our normal cam here, we can see if I go new sheet, just grab something and add some flat part. We go 200 and we add this to our actual worksheet. Then you will notice we have the undo and redo features. So if I go undo over here, we have redo. That's very handy, very standard, what you're used to in programs. But when you head over to the CAD, there is no program feature like that. Also under the menus, you're not going to find the undo and redo feature. So keep that in mind. You're going to have to get in a habit of working quite well. So you're going to get in a habit of deleting files when you have to and editing files instead of just quickly undoing. So it's definitely going to up your workflow or your work quality a bit. But it is something that it is good to know. I figured I will cover this because you don't want to be looking for it and get frustrated. So rather straight off the bat, just know it's currently not in this feature. So you can't just simply hit Control Z or Control Y to undo and redo. You're going to have to work very neatly and cleanly. It is doable. And I personally say if you can get used to this type of workflow, it's kind of when the program started, very few had the undo and redo. It does save you a lot of time, but in return also you learn to work a little bit more sloppy. So now you're very sure about your calculations and all of that, which gives you a little bit more of a cleaner outcome if you know what you're doing. But otherwise that is it on the undo and redo, or should I say the lack of it. So it is in the base program, but on the CAD you will have to manage without it. But otherwise in the meanwhile, if I head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not however find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.